Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off auto-translate in Facebook PC. We start by opening Facebook and clicking on the account icon. Then, we enter Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Next, we enter Language and Region. Here we will go to language you'd like to have post translated into, and we will choose the language we want. We can also select in languages you don't want automatically translated, those languages that we do not want to be used in the automatic translation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We will be able to see these changes when we have publications in the selected languages. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.